Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2017 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. Your new ride is just a phone call away.